All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Chevy Impala. It is the LT model. It's beautiful black with black interior. It's got that two-tone, used to be called the Ultralux. That leather with the suede-like insert, or the cloth-like inserts. Pretty good. Power windows, power door locks, backup camera. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage, only 20,000 miles. From bumper looks good. From hood looks good. From fender looks pretty darn good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire thread, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Jump into this vehicle. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. Steering wheel controls this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your mileage of 20,777. That pretty much completes the tour for in here. Open up the trunk. Boom. Rear passenger seat, what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips, looks good. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Running, coming around, rear bumper looks pretty good. This is what your trunk space looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such. I did tuck away your owner's manuals right back there. They'll have some stuff there. Oh, look pretty good. I did see some scuffing back here. Heavy scratch here, 3, 6, and some scuffing here, 3, 6. So scuffing 6 inches, a heavy scratch 6 inches. The rest of the back looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread. This over 730 seconds. Got a little bit of scuffing here, about 3 to 4 inches. All right. The rest looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have a rear AC controls. I'm sorry, rear AC vents, no controls. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. In here, tire thread. Over 730 seconds. Lights are working. Car is on. Things are beautiful, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Chevy Impala LT model with 20,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.